Students, welcome all of you in our English class. Today I am going to discuss chapter Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Mommy means mother. Wizard, magician, a person who knows some magic tricks and he spells magic words and magic happens. All these things are there. As we proceed in the chapter, so we would get all the things including the title of the story. But here in the beginning, two persons are there. One is father, name of father is Jack, and Joe is daughter. It was the custom when Joe, the girl, she was 2 years old. Since that time, Jack was telling story. Now this session continue. Now she is of 4 years of age. So Jack, he has been telling the story for approximately more than 2 years. When Jack started telling the story, that time she was of childish nature and she did not have developed or matured mind. But now, as the years rolled by, she got maturity, she got some wit, and she started raising question. So now the title that is in the form of question, Should Wizard, because Jack is telling her story and she is raising question that if mom hits wizard, so why not wizard hit mom? So what's the reason? So she's raising question in the beginning, but later on we will discuss about it. I have just told you in nutshell. But here Jack, he was feeling tiresome. Why did he start the process of telling her story? He started narrating the story to give her sound sleep. In almost every evening and especially on Saturday, it was the duty of Mr. Jack to tell her daughter stories. And while listening the story, she feels sound sleepy, and as she develops maturity, she becomes gradually developed mentally as well as physically. So she is raising question. So that's here in this particular story, in this particular evening when Jack started telling her story. So what is the story that Jack was telling to Joe? The story that was of Roger Skunk. Skunk is the name of animal. All the story that Jack has been telling to Joe for 2 years, so all the story they were having any animal, but that begins with the name Roger. Roger was the permanent name for each of the story that Jack has been narrating to Joe. So Roger, permanent name, and here the changeable thing, that was the name of the animal. Roger fish, Roger camel, Roger goat, Roger dog, Roger fox, means Roger snake, any type of animal, and the name of that animal, the proper name, proper noun, that was Roger, and here it may be any animal. And The plot of the story, it was almost the same. There was a little bit changing according to the character, according to the animal. So what's the plot of the story? So first of all, that Roger camel, Roger fish, means the Roger, he had some problem, and to solve his problem he would go to an owl, and owl would tell the animal to go to wizard, magician, and wizard, he used his magic and he solved the problem. But after solving the problem, he would demand some penny. Penny is written here. Penny means the smallest unit of currency, as we have rupee, and in the same way the smallest currency, that is paisa. So here 100 paisa, it consists 1 rupee. In the same way, the penny is the smallest unit, means rupee. In our Indian currency, you may say some rupee. He demanded money, and whatever the money was demanded by wizard, that animal had less money than the demanded money. So what to do? Suppose wizard is demanding 10 penny and this animal has only 7 penny. So what about the 3 penny that are more required to pay the due? So for this, wizard give the suggestion to go to magic well, and that animal, that he would go to magic well and get the total amount and give it to wizard. And after that, the animal, he felt happy, he joined his friends and enjoyed. So here there is a word that all these animals, they went home. After playing, they went home and they did supper. Supper means dinner. So they went home before coming father from Boston. So Boston is the name of city. Father would have gone for work, working father. So when the father would return from his work from the city Boston to the country, to the town, so before listening the whistle of the train, here whistle of the train means, so the train is whistling, that is the indication that father must have arrived to the town, and before father comes to home, the animal would join mother, give a helping hand to mother, and the whole family, they get dinner and went to sleep. In this way, so the all his stories, Jack would tell all the story, that was the plot of the story. First problem, to solve the problem, go to owl, owl give the address of wizard, and wizard solved the problem after getting some money. In this way, the animal, he felt happy, and Joe also felt satisfaction, and he would go to sleep. But now, up to the age of 4, for few months, she has been raising question, as she raised in this particular story. So what is this particular story? This particular story is about Roger Skunk. Let me write it clearly. Roger Skunk, skunk is the name of animal. Roger Skunk had problem. So what type of problem did he have? He would emit foul smell. In skunk body, we find foul smell. No animal wants to go near skunk. If some animal wants to attack, so whenever the attacker, he comes into the contact of skunk, so he goes away because he gives foul smell. So that was the problem. Skunk was emitting foul smell and no one of his friends want to play with him. Whenever he would join his friends, all his friends would leave him and they would make fun of skunk for his dirty, foul, marshy smell. So that was the problem, and as the plot of the story, it's the same. To solve the problem, went to old owl that was sitting on the top of the tree. So owl told him to go to wizard. So wizard used his magic smell and asked him that what type of smell would you like, and he said roses. In the next minute, skunk started giving smell of roses and he very happily. So what's the procedure to pay the wizard? So he did not have the demanded money, so he went to the well and going there he collects some money and give it to wizard. In this way he joined his friends. All his friends were happy, they embraced all the friends, they welcomed skunk because he was giving smell of roses. So in this way he went home very happily. But when he went home, his mother asked him a question, that is mommy, mother asked him a question that how are you smelling like rose? And he said that this happened to me. So he told the whole story. So that time the mother raised her eyebrows. She was upset and she was full of anger. And at the very minute she took skunk with her, went to wizard, and while going outside she took umbrella. The same umbrella that she was having, just as approaching to wizard, she told the wizard, directed the wizard to change the rose smell into skunk smell and do it immediately. And before the wizard say something, the lady, mother, she hit the wizard on the wizard's head. And here Joe raises question that wizard did not do anything wrong. Wizard changed the skunk smell to rose smell, and again when mother approached to wizard in the evening, so wizard was willing, without opposing, he was willing to change again from rose to skunk smell. Then why did mom hit wizard? So this was the question. But Jack was adamant. Jack was stick to his story. Jack says that story is in this way. This is the story. I cannot change the story. So what happens next? So in this video, I have tried to explain page number 48, 49, 50 and 51 because no need to explain line by line. So all the 4 pages I have explained in nutshell. In non-detail, I have told you just what's there in the story. So if you go in the text, you would find all the things very simple, very easy. and without, I think, without taking help of dictionary or any other tool, so you would get to know the story. So the question answer that I am sending to you, and I would send tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you have to answer them. Thanks a lot.